Do you have a to-do list but don't know where to begin or how to accomplish your task? Well, I have some tips that I'm going to be sharing with you, and please stay till the end of the video so you get all the tips. So, the first tip is that write down what you need to do. Like just brain dump and just write down. The next is keep it where you can see your tasks. Like, for example, you can post it on your wall or you can put it in like a kitchen cabinet. So, wherever you can see it. The next is as you get the tasks done, cross them off. The next step is have like a monthly, weekly, and also if you need like a yearly calendar, like however far out you want planned. The next is also keep like a calendar for your kids' activities. Like you might have soccer one day, you might have like basketball another day, so make sure you write those down. The next is like try to wake up early and also try to have like a bed routine and try to go to sleep on time. The next is also take time for self care so that you are like rejuvenated and you can help your kids. The next is break down your tasks. For example, like break it into like small chunks. For example, if you want to like clean the house, like maybe clean like the carpet one day and maybe like the kitchen another day. The next is color coding your tasks. So have like different pens like orange, yellow, blue, whatever colors you want. The next is plan your meals. Make sure that at least you have like a menu for the week and you know what you're going to eat. The next is grocery shop during the weekend. Either you can order online or you can go to the store. The next is cook some meals during the week and also like cut some vegetables and keep so that it's like easy to cook during the week. The next is also plan your kids' meals and what they're going to eat. The next is set reminders as to what you need to get done. The next is batch similar tasks together. Like, for example, if you're going to clean, like, make sure you clean like 2 or 3 places. Also, some other tips to accomplishing your tasks are put your electronics away. Like, you might have a phone, you might have a tablet. So, put those away and make sure you just focus on your work and get your work done. The next is put a timer, like for example, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, how much ever you want to focus. The next is ask for help when needed. For example, you might need help in like taking care of the kids and make sure you get help. The next is get enough sleep. And the next is make sure you're flexible and if things come up, make sure you like move around things, but at the same time, like get those done. So I hope you find these tips helpful and try some of these. And let me know in the comments what you're going to try. Thank you.